Everyone, first video in a long time. This song sort of broke the internet for a little while this year. Richmond, north of Richmond, by Oliver Anthony. Very good song, very powerful lyrics. Oliver plays this capo on the fifth, tuned a full step down. What I try to do on this channel is just make things as easy as possible for people like me and people like you to just strum solo acoustic easy chords. So we've got the same exact sound as he does here with standard tuning, capo on the third, 4-chord song, E minor to a C to a G to a D, and that's it. I mean, we'll walk through it a little bit, but I mean that is it. Repeats that throughout the whole song. Now the tempo is going to change a little bit at like the pre-chorus and the chorus versus the verses, but for the most part, it's just, play around with it, find your strum pattern that you like. But that's it. So I've been selling my soul with our E to a C, working all day to a G, overtime hours to a D, bullshit pay so I can sit out here and waste my life away, drive back home and drown my troubles away. It's a damn shame what the world's gotten to. People like me, people like you, wish I could just wake up and it not be true, but it is. Oh, it is. Living in the new world. Let that ring out. Living in the new world. And then change that C before he even says the next lyric. With an old soul, these rich men north of Richmond, Lord knows they all just want to have total control. Now the tempo gets a little different here, right? Because I want to know what you think, want to know what you do, and they don't think you know, but I know that you do, because your dollar ain't shit, and it's taxed to no end. So basically at the end of each line, you want to be on that next chord. So your dollar ain't shit, the E minor, then you come to the C. It's taxed to no end, cause the rich man, G north of rich man. Then you can throw in like little hammer-ons, like on this. I always, whenever I play a C chord, I love to hammer on that middle finger, second fret, D string. So like before I change that G, E minor. I mean, that is it. I don't really know how else to, that's it. That's it.